Thigithigire igumeire cira wa kuhagurwo kwa munini wa President Rigathi GACHAGUA itiguthiraga CIIRA thutha wa Rigathi kuhanda macira mere igoti-ini magucokia macira RIKO KUREGANA na matua mere ma ndundu ya ACIRITHANIA ATATU aria marathikiriria macira ma kuhagurwo gwake. Cira-ini wa mbere Rigathi arenda igoti riu riteanirie itua ria ACIRITHANIA Eric Ogolla, Anthony Mrima na Frida Mugambi ria kuga munini wa MUCIRITHANIA MUNENE ari na uhoti giegatiba wa kumba ndundu ya ACIRITHANIA makiria ya umwe guthikiriria macira matiganite.
That the Honorable DCJ can assign judges under Article 165 sabbatical of the Constitution whenever he or she is discharging any of the constitutional functions on behalf of the chief.
Kugerera mawakiri a Kamotho Jomo and Company Advocates, Rigathi augite itua ria ACIRITHANIA acio ni riuru na ni mahitia kuona riakinyanirio thutha wa gutaura gatiba uria gutagirire. Ni athite na mbere kuga itua riri ringiaga guteanirio kihoto giake gia gigatiba gia guthikiririo igoti-ini na njira ya kihoto na waragania gigukorwo kihotometio na gikagararwo kuona ACIRITHANIA acio meguthie na mbere guthikiriria macira mothe mugaru na watho. Cira-ini wa keri Rigathi arenda ACIRITHANIA ya ATATU matige guthikiriria macira macio, akiuga ni makuruhanite na njira imwe kana iria ingi na honge undu umwe na andu ngurani aria marugamirirwo macira-ini maya. Wa mbere ni MUCIRITHANIA Mrima uria Rigathi augite ni muthiriti wa hakuhi wa Speaker wa Senate Amason Kingi, nake mutumia wa MUCIRITHANIA Eric Ogolla ni muruti wira wa thirikari, noguo ARIA ya matiagirirwo ni guthikiriria macira maya.
The matter is premature and the hearing and determination of that applications for the simple reason that the issue and an order had already been made that would be first dealt with by the court after its ruling of yesterday. It was the application for recusal. The other matters that relates to how we shall deal with the petition, and we shall deal with all the applications, including the first application for conservatory orders.
Maya mokite riri ndundu ino itanyetwo gugathikiriria cira wa kana watho wa igoti uria urugamitie kuhitithio kwa Professor Kithure Kindiki ni ukweherio niguo ehitithio guthinga ithenya riria riratigirwo ni Rigathi.
It is now apparent that the applicants no longer perceive the urgency in this matter. Instead, they seek to cast aspersions on this court for addressing the matter with the necessary expedition. Such conduct is contradictory and undermines the very urgency that the applicants had initially invoked.